In this session, let us learn about Java Booleans. Very often in programming, you will need a data type that can only have one or two values like yes or no, on or off, true or false. For this, Java has a Boolean data type which can take the values true or false. Boolean values. A Boolean type is declared with the Boolean keyword and can only take the values true or false. See here, Boolean is Java fun, true. Boolean is fish tasty, false. See here, true or false. However, it is more common to return Boolean values from Boolean expressions for conditional testing. See below. Boolean expressions. A Boolean expression is a Java expression that returns a Boolean value true or false. You can use a comparison operator such as greater than operator to find out if a expression or a variable is true. See here, we are using instead x is equal to 10 instead y is equal to 9. See here, system output print x is greater than, returns the true because 10 is higher than 9. See, the result was true. Or even easier, see here, now we are using 10 is greater than 9. See, it is true, returns true because 10 is higher than 9. In the example below, we use the equal to operator to equivalent an expression. See here, now we are using x is equal to 10. See, returns true because the value of x is equal to 10. See here, another example, 15 is equal to 10, returns false because the 10 is not equal to 15. The Boolean value of an expression is the basis of all Java comparison and conditions. We will learn more about conditions in the next chapter. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 10, Java Booleans. In next video, let us learn about another topic, conditions, Java if else. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.